Welcome to the kitchen, where today we are keeping it kid-friendly and making a super easy pasta, butter, cheese, and noodles. Stay tuned. For pasta, make sure you also pre-salt your water. This is gonna give your pasta some flavor. And so we're just gonna let this boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Keep a little bit of your pasta water because there's starch. And so what that starch is gonna do is it's gonna help thicken up your pasta sauce. Go ahead and add a little bit of butter. Don't go crazy with your butter. Keep in mind you still want it to be a little healthy for the kids. You know what I mean? Now I use non-salted butter. So I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Some salt, some pepper. And then we're gonna add a nice pinch of some Parmesan. Little goes a long way. I'd rather have too little to start off with than entirely too much. And if you need to put it back on the stove to let it thicken up a little bit, do so. Now it's blended with that pasta water. Now no, this isn't gonna be a cream sauce, this isn't gonna be a red sauce. It's butter, it's pasta water, it's salt and pepper and some cheese. How's the taste? All right, and now let's taste. I need adult portions. It's simple, but it's satisfying. Salt, pepper, butter, cheese. It's so good, it's so simple. Most of us have these basic ingredients in our home. If you feel like you don't have anything in the house to cook, see if you have these 4 basic ingredients. So easy to make, not only just for the kids, but for the whole family. From my kitchen to yours, butter noodle pasta with a little bit of cheese. Have a good one.